Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NIKKEI futures for Thursday, November 2nd. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 1st. Time is around 8 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 1 hour chart, and I believe we are still looking here at our expanded flat structure. So I would not consider this yet as like the start of a new impulse in the higher time frame or whatsoever. I think this is still part of a corrective move, but yeah, let's say kind of a misleading corrective move in the sense that it might look impulsive. It is also impulsive, but I just think we are actually doing a C wave here of an A, B, C, an expanded flat structure here as a wave B. And then what should happen is here after this wave A down, we are now working on the wave B up, and then I'm expecting a C wave down as an impulse to take out this low, and then our corrective move as a triple tree in the higher time frame will be finished. In the meantime, it looks like here the secondary scenario is no longer valid. So let me take it out. And yeah, so now I believe this structure here will soon end. Well, we can see a bit more upside, I would say. Like here, if we look at the 1 hour, so from this low, it looks like this here was our wave 3, a shallow wave 4 down, and now it looks like we are working on the final wave 5 up. And then after this fifth wave, we should finish the wave C, finish the wave B, and then we are ready again for more downside. So let's have a look at the 15-minute. Can I add something here? No, not really. I would say this is the third wave. This indeed looks like the fourth wave. And so now from here, I believe we are working on the fifth wave up like this. So far we had a wave 1, a wave 2, so now we are working on the wave 3. A 4 and a fifth wave should follow to end this fifth wave of the C wave of the B wave. Okay, that's my forecast for the Nikkei. Some more upside, but then we will turn down. I see this as a corrective move, which is finishing. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.